Hello everyone out there, this is Winter Grape and today we are looking at a code screen because this is the day where I am starting a project that I'm going to try to explain later on. So basically what I'm going to do is something like if you have ever seen YouTube, no, if you have ever seen Twitch plays Pokemon, this is something like YouTube codes or YouTube mods Minecraft. That is the name I'm going to put to this project, YouTube mod Minecraft, and basically consists in you leading the development, all the viewers leading the development, not leading the development, that's not correct because it's like a group thing. I want to do, I want to make a mod based on your comments. That's basically what this is going to be. I want to make a mod based on the comments of this YouTube series I'm starting today, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to try to explain what is going on the recording right now, because I had already recorded the full video, the full length video of this, but the audio is totally messed up. One of those things that usually happens, mainly because my headset, my beautiful Corsair headset, has been failing on the plug. I think I did that by accident. Maybe I just pushed it, but yeah, the plug is broken and I'm doing some magical stuff here to try to get this going. So basically this is the template. This is the template of what is going to be the mod. We're going to do it. We are not going to be looking at a code screen like this all the series. Actually, we are going to be playing the game. We're going to be playing Minecraft and doing tests there. The reason I'm doing this is because right now I'm going to start all this. I'm going to create the instance as I usually do. I only use the vanilla launcher to make Minecraft instances of what I play, and I have heard there that many people have problems doing this, having different instances, or so many of you use multi-MC. I don't do that. I don't use multi-MC. I can do everything with the vanilla launcher, and hopefully I'm going to set the initial setup like this on the following let's see minutes. So that's the idea we're going to work with right now. I guess at this point I'm going to launch the game. Yes, I'm commentating this. I'm not doing this live. I'm just commentating over. I'm going to launch the launcher. That is the Minecraft launcher, and this I'm going to create a new profile. That's the new profile, and I'm going to name this YouTube mods MC, which is Minecraft, YouTube mods Minecraft, and then I will proceed to write the directory where this is going to be running. That's that is the path, that is the name, and this is the path where everything is going to be running. So I'm going to remove that and type YTMMC. That's a weird abbreviation there, and the screen size is going to be 1280 by 720p. Okay, I'm going to copy that because I'm going to use it below. I'm going to use it below on the settings. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to select the Forge build we're going to be using for this. The Forge build is going to be a Forge 1.10.2. I just having a little trouble finding it because I have so many instances of Forge I have been installed. So maybe I should do a cleanup because some of those I'm not going to use them anymore. There we go. Is Forge 1.10.2. I just downloaded and installed that from Forge site, and this is the Java version I'm using it. I'm using this one from Curse. When I installed the Curse launcher, it is installed this Java version, which is 64-bit 1.8 update 25. Has been working wonderful for me. That is not universal because everyone has different setups. Everyone has different hardware, different setup on software. So 4D has been working wonderful, and maybe for someone else it's another version, but that's how I usually work with. And then I have the Java arguments down there yeah, I'm explaining that update 25. I have the Java arguments. I just have been collecting all that over the internet over the years. I have been working with this, or I'd say playing, but it's working playing with Minecraft. And I'm going to replace that with the path we just typed above there. That path goes, oh my god, no. Okay, that sorry. And then I'm just going to close this. I'm sorry, there we go, and save the profile. And then I'm going to select it. I'm just going to do a little hidden action there, verifying that I am not letting out some spoilers. No spoilers. And I'm selecting the profile we just created. I'm sorry about the Outlook sound. I just closed Outlook. There's stuff going on my email right there. There we go. That's the profile, and I'm going to launch the game. So when I launch the game, since I don't have that directory created, it's going to create it for me and create all the settings I need. And there we go. All is running. And I'm just letting the game run there. Okay, that does the initial stuff for me, and just put in the frame, and there we go. And it shouldn't take long to load, because it doesn't have anything else there. Just Forge, no mods loaded, only Forge. So it's going to just load the resources for that. And while that loads, I'm just going to have a drink of coffee. There we go. Now we can see it's Minecraft 1.10.2, and it has sounds because it's okay. I'll just remove the music. There we go. I love Minecraft music, but I usually don't have it on, because when I'm playing Minecraft, I'm either recording or watching YouTube videos, and it's not good to be watching a YouTube video with Minecraft music on. So that's the reason I turn it off, nothing else. The music is great, I love it, but I always turn it off for that. And I put the weather at half, more or less, just to have. I like to put subtitle songs. That's a good feature since it came out. I've been liking it. And on the video settings, I set the render distance to 10 chunk. That works fine for me. And I put the max frame rate to unlimited, because if you limit the frame rate, it takes resources from your computer. So leave it to unlimited, so it doesn't take resources trying to limit the frame rate. And I like the indicator on the hotbar. I put everything bright because I cannot see if it's moody, so everything goes bright and nice. And then I left the videos on and turned VSync off, because that also takes frames from you. And all the rest seems to be fine. Now let's change the controls, because I am left-handed and I have to change that. I drop the items with the period key. I go to the inventory with the delete key and swap hands with end. Then I like to turn cinematic camera with F8 every time I need to do something like that. I jump with control, sneak with right shift, sprint is okay. And I change the direction keys to the arrows. I don't use WASD, and the rest is fine, so that should be done. Then I'm just going to quit the game, because the directory has been created. So all I have to do now is go to the profile again, edit the profile, and open the game directory. There we go. Open the game directory, and that opens the folder or the directory where everything is. So we have the mods there. I'm going to go to the mods, then I'm going to go to the directory where I have the mod I compiled. There we go. That is a mod that currently has nothing. It's just a compiled mod, doesn't have any items, no blocks. I'm just gonna put it there and launch the game. Okay, that's that's all it has, just a template, no blocks, no items, no features, nothing, just the template mod, because we're going to be building this together. So yeah, I'm going to switch to, oh yeah, there we go, it's compiled. I'm going to switch to that and launch the game. Now, I realized that I had forgotten to do something. I actually need to edit another file, which is the file that contains the information of the mod. So I'm going to open that file. It's named mcmod.info. It's that file puts in the mod in the mod compiled file. So I'm just going to put the values there, which is the ID of the mod. There we go. I'm just pointing that the ID of the mod, which is going to be YTModsMC. It's like an abbreviation for YouTube Mods Minecraft. This is going to be a mod made based on the commentaries of YouTube, of course. And the description is, there we go, a mod done by feedback from YouTube. Alright, I just had a little interruption. So this is the version 001 alpha. I always like to name the versions like that. And the Minecraft version, which is 1.10.2. And I'm just going to remove the rest for now. We'll see what to do with that later. And I'm thinking that maybe there will be like a site, a web page or website where I'm going to be keeping track of all this. Maybe on Minecraft forums, who knows. So I'm going to just run the command to build this mod again. It's Gradle W build, and it's going to do it here. There we go. So as the process runs, we'll see the files appearing here. It shouldn't take long because this process just builds, it compiles the mod again. And as I said before, it's just an empty mod, doesn't have anything. This is just like a placeholder for now. Yes, it created new files because we changed the name, so we are just going to remove the, oh, I just copied that. I'm going to remove the files that are not good, so remove all that. And this is the one that we are going to be using on the mods directory. It is there, so I just placed it, and I run the game again. So it's going to run again, and this time it's going to pull the mod from there. I'm just doing some stuff here. There we go. I cannot center this where it must be centered. And there. Okay, so now we have that. Let's see, let's check out the mods, and if we see the mods list, oh, this is going to be difficult. Okay, now here's the mod YouTube. Oh, I misspelled that. I'm going to fix it on the next video. YouTube Mods Minecraft, and it has all the information of that. So we are running the mod right now, along with Forge and everything else that Forge does. YTModsMC, that's the ID of the mod. So I'm just going to create a new world on single player. It's going to be a creative world in a super flat. I'm going to customize that, and let's go to presets. I'm going to select overworld, and I'm going to do some changes there. I don't know if dungeons will be generated, so I'm just gonna leave it. I'm going to remove lakes and lava lakes because I don't like those when I am doing tests. You know what, dungeons also goes away. And I'm going to leave mineshafts that I am sure they will generate underground. That's for purposes of the testing. Strongholds also. I'm going to remove decorations and biome_1. Those two things are the ones that generate grass and all that stuff. I'm going to leave villages because villages are a good place to test things, and I guess that's it. That should do. Now we have a super flat with 59 layers of stone. That means it's high enough to not generate slimes, because the slimes are annoying in super flats when I'm doing some tests. This way, if the world is high enough, slimes won't be spawning at that height. So let's create this, and the world loads. There we go. Okay, this is the world. Oh, there's a village right away. I'm just going to open my inventory to trigger the achievement and get rid of that message. I'm going to set some rules. I'm going to set game rules of do daylight cycle false. That's to eternal day. That way we will have eternal day, no night with annoying mobs spawning where I don't want them. I'm just going to leave passive mobs to spawn, so I'm going to leave that as it is. There we go. Villagers are always a good place, I think, for testing stuff, because we can always, if we do some weapons, we can always be shooting the locals. There's a normal jest generating with some stuff there. If the audio distinct is going to be a little difficult to do. Okay, so that's all for now. That's the plan. That's what we're going to do. So I'm going to do a quick recap. This series is going to be called YouTube Mods Minecraft, and that is making a mod out of the comments of I'm receiving of this. So the speed of this is going to depend on the comments. If I get too much things to do, that I'll just have to plan to do it. If I don't get enough input, it could be like a more space thing to do. I have no idea how often I will be publishing this kind of content. Mainly every time I have something to show. I don't know, depending on the complexity of the things we're going to start with. And I think for starting, we're going to do simple things, and that is where I'm going to ask you to tell me what to do down in the comments, starting by simple things, items, blocks, and features, and further then we can go to some complex stuff. And every time we have something that can be played, the mod will be published for download, and so everyone can play and test with it. And yeah, I don't know how this is going to come out. Of course, I don't have any idea what's going to be the future of this, but I hope it's going to be a bright one and a fun one, something we can do to have fun, all of us all around there. And yeah, I guess that's something for now. And I don't know why I just I thought about this. I was just thinking, I don't know how I came up with this idea. I was just thinking about the times when I saw that Twitch plays Pokemon stuff, and I just thought about doing something like what happens if I do some like YouTube Mods Minecraft. So I'll be like controlled by whatever input I'm getting, and I'm playing now with that. So I have been thinking and preparing for this. I do have a lot of stuff to do around here, both in real life and on this realm, if I could say that. A lot of cool stuff I am working in, and I can't speak about that, of course, because it's top secret, but you'll find out later. And it's really fun things that are coming up later. But yeah, other than that, I guess that's all I have to say for today on this first episode. I may have to do some special editing because as I said before, as our starting of this, I messed up with the audio, and I'm doing like this is like a voice over explaining everything, all the ideas I had, and that's good because I had more time to put my mind clear. I guess first time I didn't have everything clear, and right now I just did it even a little faster because I explained everything. And any doubts, of course, the comments are for that. It's like the first time I'm doing this and on this level of interaction. I usually do my let's plays and that's it. And now the difference is that I'll be getting input and reacting to that input and showing it on the next video, and so on. So as I said before, it could take long for the next one to come, depending on what input I have and what ideas we have to work with, but that's all. And saying that, there's nothing more to say. So thank you for watching, everyone, and I hope to see you on the next episode. Goodbye. May you all be well.